Hey my gators, so I wanted to share this video with you guys because I want y'all to understand that I have, and I talked to you guys about this, so I'm getting ready to start loading them periodically throughout the week. My videos that are not shared, that are not public, I have been doing so many videos, and behind the scenes we're gonna go to content, and I have lots of content. When you look over here and you see the world sign, that means it's public. If you see a sign like that, that means it's private. This is the one that I'm going to be sharing with y'all right now. I made that several months ago. Okay, so let me show y'all how two things. First of all, let me minimize this. This is what happened with my what do you call it, the grocery haul that I was supposed to load on Sunday. This is what happened, and it really made me so upset because the files are still there, but for some reason the editor, this is what happened. So all the voicing over, the putting the music in, and all the stuff that I had to put in, I'm not doing that over again. I'm just not. So it's not that things are not happening, but it can be frustrating, especially when you don't make much of nothing on here. It kind of makes you not want to spend time and waste time on certain stuff. And not saying that I don't enjoy what I do, but when you are enjoying what you do, but then you also have the things that affect you and make your energy kind of feel like, you know, you're being depleted or it's being wasted or whatever the case may be. I do this. I take the time to edit, take the camera with me, do all this stuff, then bring it home, put on a computer to try to make it clear or make it more informative for you guys. And then stuff like this happens. And this was going to be a 23-minute shop with me video with the different stores I went to and giving you insight. It was really nice. And now it's literally not there. Literally not there. I don't know what's going on. So I'm just gonna exit out of that because it is what it is. I can't do nothing about it. But see, I'm always creating content. And this is, you can see the video is gone, but then these are even the ones that I've already loaded. You can see those there, but why is this one? This is the last one, the most recent one, but all the other ones are still, it's just, I don't know. I don't know what's going on, and I'm not going to try to figure it out. So let's go back to here. Let me go back far so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Now, this was February 3rd. We already in March 6th. This was a video I did February 3rd, didn't load it. These are all the ones that already became public. This is a video I did January 8th, did not load it. Okay, let's go to the next. I just want y'all to see how far back my videos go. All of these are videos that I have not loaded. We back in December now. We in December. I have several videos that have not been loaded. I've been sharing so much stuff behind the scenes. I just have not gotten it to you. Decluttering my my dining room, making some changes in the home, things that didn't go right. Look, December 14th. Right? And then we're going to go even deeper. I just want y'all to see how far back. I have so much footage. So the reason I'm coming here is because I did that satisfying video several months ago. I want to say like 7-8 months ago. And it was just a little quick video. I said, let me throw it up. The reason why is because I don't use that stuff anymore. I don't use that toxic, the beads. I don't use the detergent, the extra. I don't use those things anymore. So I don't want you guys to feel like, oh my gosh, she's telling us one thing. No, no, no. I don't use that stuff anymore. These videos are really old. So when you do see them, look, this is one of me placing down the rug from my trying to figure out a rug for my bedroom. I switched that. This is laying down the rug in the living room. I never showed that. That was December 10th. So around Christmas, I was doing things in the house. I just didn't share it. So I was sharing a lot because of the holidays, trying to do the Vlogmas. But even before that, there's different videos that you see. I have lots of content of things that look not as planned, no title. Look at this, doing my coffee journey. Still didn't share all those videos with you. And then we're going to go even deeper. I want to go further because I want y'all to see, even when Ryan and stuff was here and stuff was going on in the house, I did a paper declutter because I wanted to start a series again of decluttering stuff in my home. And I sat there and I got this big bag of bills and papers and I decluttered that. That was November 9th, okay? Here, hanging my living room curtains, November 7th. I've been doing stuff, I just haven't been able to share it. Here, these, I'm trying to transition to cast iron glass or stainless steel. And so I got these free drink dispensers, not sponsored, that are amazing. I've been using them for, this is November 4th when I shared the video, but I got them, I want to say October. So that's how long ago this was. But I want y'all to see that I have lots of content. Look, part 1, unpacking my home, moving furniture around. Didn't never share that. Okay. That was part 1. I was doing series of getting the house together. You guys see me put the curtains up. Now, mind you, look how long ago this was, October 26th, when Naya was acting a fool in the bedroom. Look, we're going to go deeper. I did a unboxing my lights that I had bought years ago in New York and putting up the nightstands and showing you guys that October 16th. Like, we're going to go even deeper. Here we are looking for the new Foreman grill that Naya bought me last Christmas when we were in the hotel. Last Christmas. I just opened that up in September, but I did a video in October, and that is not even shown. That's how long ago. So I have so much content, and I did the henna eyebrows, showing you guys how to do henna eyebrows. That was September 29, 2023. And then we're going to go deeper. I want y'all to see this because I want y'all to understand there's a lot that I did not share. Testing out these pot holders wasn't sponsored, but I didn't even share them because I didn't like them. I paid for them with my own money. And go deeper. We're talking about the water company. Something happened with the water company here, and it was really not cool. And I wanted to share that with you. That was September 19th. Didn't share that. Mind you, remember I was going to those garage sales and yard sales and sharing that stuff with y'all. This is stuff that I'm about to share that happened before that. Do not buy this from Amazon. Didn't share September 16th. This was another different type of pour over, September 16th. These, let's go deeper. Let's go deeper. These were the mason jar lids that I so am in love with. I keep saying I want to share them with y'all. That was September 2nd. Didn't share that. Like, and these are just sporadic, but we about to get to showing y'all how it's consistent, where I've been consistent of not sharing how to create my green tea brew. That was August 18th. Didn't share that. We going deeper because I want y'all to see. Remember I showed the vitamin deficiency? I never shared Scotch guarding my my furniture, my new patio furniture. Never shared that. That was August 3rd. Here, see it? August 3rd. Then I never shared the plant food. I shared it on a short video, but I talked more in depth on it. Never shared that for people who like plants. How to create propagations. This was June 27th. My plant baby updates. June 26th, new gallon watering container. I'm a plant mom. I love plants. I have several plant videos. All of these are plant videos. Look, never shared them. Never shared them. This is all from 2023. I buy books all the time. I bought this June 2020. Well, I shared it June 2023, and I will teach you how to get rich. I've been bought that book. You get what I'm saying? It'll be almost a year. I bought this distress plant. Well, I got it gifted. Distress plant from Lowe's, which is behind me, a big tree. Never shared how to get it home and fix it up. These are all videos I never shared. I'm always creating content. But I work on the energy and how I feel and what I want to release at that time. So lots of plant videos, okay? Lots of plant videos, and we're going to go even deeper. Remember when I put my mailbox up, okay? Remember when I put the mailbox up? How to budget the unexpected items with your cash envelopes. I did a lot of videos. I never released them. Y'all remember I unboxed my bed and put my memory foam topper on. That was in the house before this. It's still videos I still have not released. I got a hose faucet lock to show you how to keep people out of your water. January 7, 2023. There are several videos on my channel still from houses before this that I have not shared with you guys. So there's so much. And I want y'all to know I'm going to release them. Why? Because I took the energy that God has given me to create them. And I know you guys like, bring it. But for the new ones, when you see something that is going to be released, but then you see something else and you're like kind of confused. Yes, I still haven't shared Ryan and Pops when they were here, putting the new windows being delivered, the new sliding door being installed. It's so much that I haven't shared, and so much still on my computer and in files that I have not put up yet. So I want you guys to know that I am going to be releasing new videos that come on my heart that I feel like want to release right then and there, and I record and release to y'all. But then I'm also going to be releasing videos that I know are going to be, I just released this one, and that's old. That video literally was made just when the summer was breaking, coming into the colder months. But I wanted to share because I cook a lot, and I wanted to share sharpening my knives. I thought that, you know, that made me so it made me feel so good. So that's why. But just so you know, I'm going to be sharing the things that I know that I took the time to create, and I hope you guys understand. So this video probably will be given to you guys on a Sunday. So look for it from Sunday on to get some of the stuff that you did not see. If you've been here for plants, if you've been here for cooking, if you've been here for budgeting, if you've been here for different things, I have a lot of stuff in store for you guys so I can get caught up to do the things that I want to do on this channel. But also not feel like I wasted my time creating content and then not sharing it with you guys. So that stuff that's already on there did not get edited. I didn't have nothing fancy, or didn't learn the actual CapCut at the time. So you're just going to get those videos. Some may be edited from the old editor, some may not. So I hope you guys understand. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Talk to me in the comments. I will definitely talk back. If you are new to the channel, you want to see me do something on this channel, please let me know as well. And I will see you guys later, Gators.